Hey, what's up everybody? This is Brian from EV Sportline. Thanks for tuning in today. Today we are going to introduce, review, and install the Team 1EV Aero spoke wheel insert covers. That's what I've got here. The purpose of these is to improve the aerodynamics of the wheel and also improve the aesthetics of the wheel. So we'll go through this, but we started by modeling a design that was similar to what Rivian, the factory Rivian prototype R1T and R1S used on the original Aero wheels when they introduced them. So this cover that we developed is injection molded plastic. It's been designed using CFD, which is computational fluid dynamics, where we study the airflow over the wheel, and then we try to improve the aero by reducing the drag that the airflow across the wheel has as you drive. And on these wheels, the biggest issue with the wheel from an aero perspective is the open sections. So the open sections on the wheel allow air to come, as you're driving, come across the wheel and actually go through the wheel. And as air comes and goes through the wheel, it creates drag. That creates some resistance, which is actually inefficiency, causing you to burn down your battery. So the less surface area typically that's exposed that allows air to go through is going to be better. It's not a simple science like that. It does take modeling with CFD and some real life testing to develop an aero cover that works. And this is what we came up with. So this is a balance between what's going to be most efficient and what actually looks good on the wheel. All right, so we're going to go through this today, installing these. We're going to also install the little protection patches. We have a PPF, or a paint protection film patch, which is 4 little stickers that go on the wheel. So that'll keep your wheel from getting scratched when you pull these on and off. All right, let's go ahead and get started. All right, let's go through the products. First of all, we've got the protection patches. So you're gonna see this is basically a clear PPF, or paint protection film patch. It's just a small 3/4 inch section, and these are gonna go on the wheel, and they line up with the tabs on the aero cover. So you see this tab that pops into the wheel, and that paint protection film is just gonna protect the wheel from getting scratched if you're gonna pull these on and off. If you're gonna put the covers on once and never take them off, you probably don't need to get the paint protection film for the wheels. But if you plan on taking these on and off frequently, I would get these patches just to protect the wheel. So with every one of those kits, we have a template. You can download this off our website, print it up, and then cut out the template. And this template here is going to show you where on the wheel spokes you're going to line up to install those patches. So you can see each one of those blue cutouts lines up with the tabs on the covers. And it's not a real perfect science. You've got plenty of overlap, so if you're close, you're in good shape. We'll go over that. Anytime you stick anything on the wheel, you got to clean the wheel. So we offer a wax and grease towel. This is going to wipe the wheel, take any brake dust off, any solvent, anything that's there is dirty. And then we have an alcohol prep pad. So to ensure that these stick to the wheel, we are going to use an alcohol prep pad right before we stick them on. And these two prep pads come with the covers, and then the wax and grease remover is a separate add-on if you need that. Okay, let's take a look at the covers now. So there's 2 types of covers. There's a satin black, and then there's a factory silver color. And it just depends on personal preference which color you want for your wheel. Otherwise, the covers are identical. And then optionally, we have a carrying tote, which you have here. So in this carrying tote, this was designed specifically to store these covers in a manner where the covers won't scratch each other. So they all nest in this bag, and then you flip this open, you've got another wheel, and then you have a second set back here. So if you plan on taking these on and off, I would definitely get the storage tote. Okay, with that, let's go ahead and get started on the truck. This is the 20-inch Rivian wheel that the aero covers work with. Now, keep in mind there are several 20-inch wheels from Rivian, so make sure that yours matches this design. And if you go to our website, we do show all the Rivian wheels and a check mark of yes, these fit, or no, they don't fit. Now, this is one of the covers, and it's going to press into place like this. So we'll have one here, here. So there's 5 per wheel, and that's where it's gonna press in. And really, this is super DIY friendly. It just pops in place. But before we do that, I'm gonna go through these patches. So these are the patches to protect your wheel, make sure it doesn't scratch. We have taken our template here, printed it up, and we've cut out the template. And we can see as we put this in place here, all this is doing is basically pointing you to the middle section of each hole in the spoke. So we're gonna put the tabs here, here, and there. So just like that. All right, we have already wiped down this wheel using the wax and grease remover. So now I'm gonna take the alcohol prep pad and we're gonna wipe down those spots and put the decals on. You have 2 prep pads. So I would use one for 2 wheels and one for the other side. And we're gonna go in here and just wipe these surfaces clean on the wheel. And you can see as we wipe it, you're definitely pulling off some road grime. So let's wipe this one off. Make sure we've got it. Okay. And then on the PPF patches, these just peel off like stickers. And then we're gonna carefully go up. Again, double check your template. Make sure that the alcohol is dry. And then we're gonna center this up. Like such. Okay, and you can see any air bubbles, just work it down with your finger, starting on the wheel side. And these patches are somewhat pliable. So that's what we're looking for there. Okay, and you can work out any air bubbles in there and see how that looks. So now when this presses into place, this tab is just gonna slide over that PPF, okay? And we'll go ahead and put another one on. Do all 4 of these per spoke. Okay, so we have the one that we put on first, and I left these open so you can see them, the 3 others, and we're just gonna roll the PPF around the back of the rim. Just like that. Okay, the kit comes with 100 patches and you need a total of 20 per wheel, so you need 80 of these, so you actually have 20 spares. Okay, this customer wants the silver style Aero covers, so we're gonna go ahead and install these in the front, and then we'll put the black ones in the back just so you can see what the difference is in the color. So to put these in, we're gonna start by putting the outside into the wheel, and then we're just gonna press the front up here. So again, we stick this in here, so it's in the back, and then just press the front, pops right in. Stick it in the back first, pop it in. Stick it down here, pop it in. Last one. That's it. It's a really easy install. And to get these out, just a matter of stick your fingers behind the spoke, pull it out, and that's it. Back in place. So there we have the finished look with the silver Aero inserts. Let's go ahead and take a look in the back. I put the black ones back there. All right, that does it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you're interested in the product. You can find a link to the product below, so make sure you check that out. And if you like this video, make sure you check the like button and subscribe, and tune in again for more content for your Rivian R1T and R1S. Thanks, guys.